Alright, hello and welcome to Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. How's it going? Alright, I'm going to do another WIP and Chat here, just because it's fun. Alright. Alright, so Dreamer Designs Fine Soft Day by Liam Kelly. 120 centimeters by 40 centimeters, 47.2 inches by 15.7 inches. Square drill, 52 colors, including 2 ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis, and they're just an iridescent coated type of drill that sparkles a little bit brighter compared to that of their counterpart regular drills. Alright, well, let's continue with our little canvas here. Having a good time. Yeah, just doing gardening from here on out and some sky. Bringing the sky to life. Alright. This is just like a tree or something in the background. It's just kind of a pale orange, maybe. Kind of an autumn leaves kind of color, maybe. So, just hang out for a bit. Hopefully you're having a good day. I'm just trying to stay cool. It's a little warm outside. I did check the mail earlier, but it was like basically kindling for a fire pit. 2 flyers. So yeah, threw those out. Glad I crossed the street. Or the highway. To get the mail. Well, all good. It is what it is. So, just hang out for a bit, have a good time. Yeah, I did talk about going to the dentist and all that on the previous WIP and Chat. Hopefully, I didn't scare too many people. Yeah, that's probably a big event for some people. Yeah. It is for my mom, but yeah, she's just chilling today. Oh well, yeah, doctor's appointments and stuff just isn't for everybody, and that's just perfectly reasonable. But anyway, it's not very windy out. Yeah, it's just a really warm day. Alright, this is just a slight color block of this off orange. Maybe it's slightly in the brown family, brown and orange. Yeah, I just had a kind of hollow drill in the tray there. Ah, cat hair, I'm guessing. Okay. Spit on my t-shirt. Alright. Yeah, and I got distracted while waiting for the previous WIP and Chat to upload. I kind of like the odd web comic. Cyanide and Happiness is one of them. And Garfield, yeah. I think I've mentioned that I like Garfield and Charlie Brown. Yeah, I like a couple of web comics. Or just comics in general. But anyway, there's Cyanide and Happiness, and yeah, it's kind of quirky, sometimes dark humor. It's a comic that doesn't take itself too seriously. Just kind of a parody of life, I suppose. It's just like really basic animation, really basic drawings of people. And it's just, yeah, just done in a deliberate cartoon format, and it's just kind of makes fun of things, or just kind of shows situations in a different light. And I just kind of ask them if they do individual prints of comics, like something that you can just look at every day, like a miniature poster or whatever. Just some of their comics are just funny to look at or read every once in a while. It's just something you glance at, like a 3-panel Garfield comic published 5 days a week or whatever in the paper. Yeah. It's like looking at like memes and the "This is fine" meme I have a poster of in my room. A fairly large poster. It's just a dog. I think it has a hat on. And it's just a cartoon character, basically, sitting in a house in his dining room, I guess. His house is engulfed in flames, and there's smoke billowing on the ceiling of the house, and he's just basically saying, "This is fine." Yeah, I think I mentioned this a while ago. But it's just on the door of my room, and it just has big beady eyes, and is like calm as can be. I'm sure it's from like a cartoon. It's like a single frame from a cartoon, but it's just a little bit all over the internet. It can be an animated GIF as well. A couple frames of the dog just sitting there drinking, or sitting there with a mug of coffee, and then the flames are roaring in the house. And he's like, "This is fine." Yeah, just total chaos. He's like in total denial of the just chaos around him. And I'm pretty sure in like after a few seconds he actually panics and freaks out. I've never seen the full animation of it, but yeah, I just love that poster. Like, I don't know, just the same for the Cyanide and Happiness, just something just to laugh at for a couple of minutes. If I have a crappy day, I'd just look at that for like a couple minutes and just get like a laugh, just to get like over having a crappy day. Just like those quick shots of laughter or sarcasm or whatever. Oh, I just love it. I don't know. There are some sarcastic memes that my mom like would only send to me. Like she wouldn't share it publicly on Facebook or whatever. They have been posted on Facebook or shared on Facebook from other people, but yeah, she just sends me certain ones she thought was funny, and I send her some comics or pictures that I thought were funny. Just kind of share those. Sometimes share a cyanide and happiness comic if it's like somewhat non-offensive. Or just would, yeah, just don't want to upset a whole bunch of people. Like freedom of speech and all that, of course, and it's not my stuff, but yeah, send one that's like, share one that's not funny, like not offensive, but like funny. Not too out of sorts. I think I have like a different sense of humor than probably some other people, but every once in a while I just like looking at something just completely weird and just out of left field or whatever. Just not take something so seriously all the time. Take stuff so seriously or worry about something all the time. So I just go watch comics or some videos of people like screwing something up or funny things happening. Yeah, just a nice diversion for a few minutes. Just to kind of unwind. Yeah, but with everybody's sense of humor, sometimes it can be like a little maybe awkward to share certain things online. Yeah, I might find something funny on my own, but like sending it to somebody else, they just might go, seriously? So, yeah, and just kind of think about what to share and what not to share. That's why I usually share landscapes and other photography type stuff that I don't do myself, but I'll definitely share a nice picture of nature or a mountain range or a sunset or something. Share that kind of stuff, no problem. But I guess yesterday I shared one too many pictures or something, and I got a message saying you can't post anymore, can't share anymore. We've put up certain limitations of how much you can share at one time. It was weird. I'm like, isn't that what Facebook is about? Kind of sharing stuff with other people? Why should there be a limitation? I don't know, I just closed the Facebook app and I had been on there for a bit. But yeah, that's the first time I've ever seen that kind of message come up. on the Facebook app, but okay. Yeah, I've had stuff that had sensitive content or something that they were flagged for false content or something in an article or something like Tomb of the Fallen Soldier. I've had that post like blocked or something, however you describe it, because it had some false information in the article and it was screened or something by Facebook somehow. Usually I just delete the post as it's really not doing anything worthwhile if it just says content can't be displayed right now to anybody who maybe want to see it. Oh well, move on. So if I can't share like a funny cartoon or something or somebody else's photography, then yeah, it's just really weird. Well, photography is a form of art, I'd say. But yeah, it just seems really weird for some stuff to get censored. And then other stuff gets to be posted and it's kind of borderline. Why is this on Facebook? Or social media? Oh well. Like how many millions of posts a day are there on Facebook? Or any form of social media for that matter that people have to go through, or this algorithm or something has to go through. Yeah, it's just probably a job within itself. Oh, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm just working on part of a tree here. Yeah, it's a darker color. Yeah, it's part of the tree trunk and some branches. Some sort of shadowing, I suppose. Alright. At least the next section I have like quartered off here is looks slightly smaller. Yeah, it seems that way. Yeah, I might have made this section a little larger. Yeah, it's a lot of ABs, the white AB, and then branches and leaves of a couple of the trees that are left here on the left hand side of the picture. branches kind of stretch out a couple columns. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of green and then pinks and white from here on out. Oh, yeah, there we go. Just fill in the tree over here. Getting glare off the cover there. Okay. Yikes. Gosh, this is quite a bit of branch work here. I guess I have to stay up late tonight since I work tomorrow night. I'll see what I can do. I'll be watching YouTube videos or something. I don't know. Alright, there we go. I think I got it. Oops. All this? Yep. Okay. So I had it on the tip of one of my fingers. Alright, 9/3. Okay, what else do we have here? Just casually going through. Okay, G. Alright, 301. Alright. This section is slowly filling in. Okay, yeah, this is like a brown. Kind of some bland colors, but oh well. G301. Yep. Okay. Fill this in. This is like the only spot. Yep. Okay. Not sure if that drill went down all the You'll see me pressing drills down on occasion. In case I'm not sure I got placed on the adhesive completely. Alright, just a nice quick fill in. I guess there's a couple more Batman canvases from published by Dreamer or Diamond Art Club. Sorry, Dreamer Designs. Diamond Art Club, Batman, and Catwoman is in one of them. I think they come out tomorrow. Some sort of release day. So, if you're a Batman fan, there you go. I think there's like 4 canvases being released. Sure if they're limited edition or whatever. I just briefly saw the Diamond Art Club post. Oh, they look alright. Batman and Catwoman together. That one looks pretty cool. Fairly large. Okay, cat hair on the tray today. Okay, there we go. Alright, gee. Holy cow. Where did this half hour go? Like already 27. Yeah, getting there. I don't know. I'll be sleeping tomorrow throughout the day, so yeah. I won't be getting any releases tomorrow anyway. I usually miss release days 3/4 of the time anyway for canvases. Yeah, that's alright. Want a canvas, I'll get it eventually, and if I can't get it, then probably wasn't meant to be. But yeah, cool. Nice shades of brown. Depth. Yeah, it might be a bush or something. Kind of elongated. Yeah, it kind of has that. Yeah, it kind of looks like a bush. In the background here. Alright, what's her next letter? R, kind of like a red. Okay. Cool, cool. But yeah. Alright, what's R here? It's darker pink, I imagine. 602. Okay. Might be in the red family too. Oh, it's a dark pink. I think I know the colors by now, but no. Probably not. But anyway, yeah, you've been watching Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. Down below in the description, I put my Facebook profile page, my Echoes of Color Facebook business page, and my Instagram. Also, I put the 2 website hyperlinks, hopefully they make hyperlinks, of the walking challenges I talk about in the WIP and Chats now. Lord of the Rings one and by Conqueror, and the Pacer app, which is Silk Road. Yeah, just if you're curious about it, they're just websites, like the Conqueror and Pacer websites respectively. Just there for your interest. Holy cow, that was a bird. Sorry if that made anybody jump. Bird flew right into the window. Ooh, always makes me jump. I'll probably put that on the title. Caution, bird hits window during recording. Probably what I'll title it. Anyway, there you go. Hung out for another bit. Take care. All the best with your crafting endeavors. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you again soon. Laters.